Clearview. What Clearview is a recent popular freelance website that was recently acquired by Fiverr. Clearview is very different from other freelancing websites. You see, on websites like Upwork, freelancers win contracts by bidding on proposals. But the problem with this method is that it can sometimes create a race to the bottom mentality. And this is with everything in business. Someone sells a product and they start selling it for $100, and some other retailer comes along and then they start selling it for 95. And so relating to Upwork, in order to get the jobs, you just set the lowest rate bid possible far under the client's budget in order to become more appealing for the job. And as a result of that, you end up making far less money than you might be actually worth. And with this new website, ClearVoice, no bidding is taking place. Instead, what you do is you submit your portfolio of work, you set your rate, and Clearview will automatically assign you to jobs that fit your profile. And freelancers in this website can earn as much as $200 to $1,000 per assignment. And some assignments take less than a day to finish.